So Warwick Manufacturing Group is one of the biggest departments at Warwick Uni, and we are the bridge between the cutting edge research, academia, and the best practices in the industry. Businesses are looking at digital opportunities to streamline their businesses, get more products out the door and become more efficient. The first thing to look at is to have the data in place, and that's what we do as well. Get them the data backbone, MRP, ERP, capture lots and lots of data, various different processes across the business, and then turn that into an insight. And once you have that bulk of the data, then we can start looking into the patterns and get that insight and capitalize on that data. Every day on a day-to-day basis, I visit businesses, and number one pitfall 101 for digital transformation is if you bite off more than you can chew, then you fail. So you take on too much, you fail. It's all incremental improvements, incremental implementations, so you don't get the resistance from your people. Change small amounts of time, so no big bang approach.